Through trials, His strength sustains us. When the storms of life come crashing in, and the weight of the world feels like it will win, I lift my hands to the skies above, for His strength carries me, wrapped in love, through every valley, through shadows deep. His promise is faithful, my soul will keep. No burden too heavy, no mountain too high. With His power I will rise. Through trials, His strength sustains us all. When we stumble, He catches our fall. In the darkest night, His light will shine, guiding us home to His love divine. The path may be rugged, the journey long, but His voice whispers, my child, stay strong. Every step is a lesson, a blessing disguised, for in our weakness His glory will rise. When the waves threaten to pull us under, He speaks with peace like holy thunder. His hand outstretched, He calls my name. In His presence I'm never the same. Through trials, His strength sustains us all. When we stumble, He catches our fall. In the darkest night, His light will shine, guiding us home to His love divine. His grace is enough, His mercy unending. Through every wound, His love is mending. Though the fire may burn, I will not fear, for His strength is my shield, always near. When the journey ends and I stand restored, I'll sing forever of my faithful Lord. For every trial, every tear I cried, He stood by me, my refuge, my guide. Through trials, His strength sustains us all. When we stumble, He catches our fall. In the darkest night, His light will shine, guiding us home to His love divine. So I'll walk with faith, my heart held high, through every storm, beneath His sky. His strength my anchor, His love my peace. In His arms my fears will cease.